Hello everyone, welcome to English World. This is Masrat Sultana Muhammad, PGD English from Chandrangutta Boys 1. Today let us discuss about the major discourse, letter writing. What is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to other person, generally via post. It is a written form of communication. It is the communication in written form. Now let us discuss about the types of letter writing. What are the types of letter writing? Generally, letters are of two types. They are formal letters and informal letters. A formal letter is written for business purpose or professional purpose. It is written to the government officials. It should be written in a simple and formal language. Now let us go to the informal letter. Informal letter is generally written to the relatives, friends, and to the family members. Now let us have a look on the format of a formal letter. Here there is a format of formal letter. That is, right hand top corner we have to write the sender's address, that is from address, place, and down we have to write the date. Next, come to the left side, you have to write the to address, that is the receiver's address. Next, in the next line, subject. Subject is nothing but the main reason to write the letter. Next, down, salutation. Next, leave one line. Here we have to write the body of the letter. The body of the letter should consist of 3 paras. That is, first, introduction. Second, the event, the reason you have to write, why you are writing the letter. And third, you have to write the conclusion. Next, at last, complimentary close. Then again, last, right hand side, you have to write the sender's name and address. This is the format of a formal letter. Now let us have an example of a formal letter. See here, there is a question. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of bad condition of roads in your locality. Now see here, there is a question. We have to write the letter to the editor of a newspaper, regarding the bad condition of line. Now here is the letter format. See here. First you have to write the address, that is from address, sender's address, that is I-59 Asraya, opposite New Grand Hotel, Ahmednagar, Jaipur. Then after this address, down we have written the date, that is 26 January 2020. Next, come to the left side. To address you have to write to, and to whom you are writing the letter, that is to the editor, the Hindu, Hyderabad. Next, down you have to write the subject, that is the main reason of writing the letter. Subject, regarding bad conditions of roads. Now you have to write the matter, that is body of the letter. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the bad condition of roads in our locality. The condition of roads is completely unacceptable. It has countless digs, making the road a big failure. Moreover, things get even worse during the rainy season. The road users and especially residents are facing a lot of inconvenience due to the pathetic road condition. It would be good if you publish this in your newspaper and the concerned authority will see the gravity of this matter and some measures will be adopted to improve the condition of roads. I hope that you consider the request of the residents of this area and take proper action. Then you have to write the thanking you sir, that is the complimentary clause, thanking you sir. Next, at last you have to write yours faithfully Bhatia, and last you have to write the signature, you have to do the signature. So this was the formal letter, a letter to the editor. Now let us have a look on the format of an informal letter. How to write an informal letter. Informal letter is also the same way how you have written the formal letter, but here there will not be the to address. The to address will be at the last. So let us have a look on the format of informal letter. First you have to write from address. Right side top corner you have to write from address, that is sender's address. Next, date you have to write. Next, left side you have to write the salutation. Salutation is nothing but dear, friend or family members, whatever you write in the letter, to whom you are writing the letter. Next, after salutation you have to write the body of the letter. After body of the letter you have to write warm regards. Okay. Next, complimentary clause. After complimentary clause, you have to write the sender's name and signature. Next, at last, in the left side, last down corner, you have to write to address, that is receiver's address. So this was the format of an informal letter. Now let us have a look on the example of an informal letter. Here there is a question, write a letter to your friend to pay a visit to your village in the coming summer vacation. Now you have to ask your friend to visit to your village in the coming summer vacation. So how to write the letter? Let us see here. First you have to write the address, that is sender's address. From address in the top right side corner you have to write, that is I-59 Ashraya, opposite New Grand Hotel, Ahmednagar, Jaipur. This is the address. Next, after address you have to write the date, that is 26th January 2020. Next, left side you have to write dear Robert. Here dear Robert is the salutation. You are writing a letter to Robert, so that's why you have to write dear Robert, or else you can write dear friend, or if you are writing to your father or family members you can write dear father, okay, or else you can write the name. Right, this is the salutation, dear Robert. Now we have to write the body of the letter, that is how are you? I am fine and hoping the same with you. I haven't received any letters from you since we met last. How are you preparing for your examinations? I am doing well and wish to know the same from you. Why don't you pay a visit in the coming holidays? We are longing to see you. We can see the dam which was constructed recently, and also we can enjoy a lot in our fields if you come here. Convey my regards to your parents and best wishes to your little brother. Hope you would be coming home for summer vacation. Looking forward to see you soon. Bye. So this was the body of the letter. Then last you have to write yours lovingly. Yours lovingly, Joseph. So who is writing the letter here? Joseph. So you have to write yours lovingly, Joseph. After this you have to write the to address. To whom you are sending the address. That is to Robert, 1012 Ramnagar, Hyderabad. So this was the example of an informal letter. Thank you.